Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to the revolutionary world of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network. This means that it is not controlled by any central authority or financial institution, but instead operates on a decentralized network of computers. This decentralized structure offers users greater privacy and security, as well as lessens the risk of censorship and interference. One of the major advantages of using Bitcoin is its low transaction fees. Traditional financial transactions often have high fees associated with them, but Bitcoin transactions typically have lower fees. This allows users to transfer their funds with greater ease and at a lower cost, making it a more accessible option for many people. Another advantage of Bitcoin is its borderless transfers. With Bitcoin, users can send and receive payments anywhere in the world, as long as they have an internet connection. This makes it possible for people to send and receive money across borders without having to worry about exchange rates or other financial barriers. The volatility of Bitcoin can also lead to higher returns for investors who are willing to take the risk. While the price of Bitcoin can be highly unpredictable, the potential for higher returns can make it an attractive investment opportunity for those who are comfortable with risk. However, it is important to note that with any investment, there are risks involved. The volatile nature of Bitcoin can result in significant losses for investors, and the digital nature of Bitcoin means that it is vulnerable to hacking and theft. It is important to properly secure your digital wallet to avoid losing your funds, and to thoroughly research and understand the risks involved before investing. Additionally, the lack of regulation in the Bitcoin market can lead to a higher risk of fraudulent activity. As with any investment, it is important to thoroughly research and understand the risks involved before investing. While the lack of regulation can provide greater freedom and privacy, it can also make it easier for fraudulent activities to occur. In conclusion, Bitcoin is a revolutionary digital currency that offers users a new and exciting way to transfer funds. With its low transaction fees, borderless transfers, and potential for higher returns, it is a unique investment opportunity. However, it is important to carefully consider the risks involved, including its volatile nature, security risks, and lack of regulation. Thank you for your time and attention, and I hope this has provided you with a better understanding of the world of Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Furthermore, you could be interested in other videos of this channel about SpaceX and ChatGPT. See you soon!